Hello, can I hear that?
What's your name, scumbag?
What's up?
You think I'm cute, Private Pile? Do you think I'm funny?
Huh?
Do you suck dicks?
Who?
Do you suck dicks?
What the fuck?
Holy Jesus.
Good evening, Maurice.
What's your name, scumbag?
I'm sorry?
Do you suck dicks?
Who the fuck is this?
Do you suck dicks? Are you shook up? Are you nervous?
No, I'm not nervous. I'm just confused. Who is this?
Where the hell are you from anyway, Private?
Like a garden gnome on crack.
What is that? What the fuck is that?
I'm sorry?
What is this Mickey Mouse shit?
I can't understand what you're saying.
What's your excuse? Do you suck dicks?
Why do you sell a garden gnome on crack?
The very fucking godmother said it.
I'm sorry?
What is that? What the fuck is that?
I can't understand a word you're saying, sir.
You don't scare me. Work on
Is
it.
this a ma'am or a sir?
Well, any fucking time, sweetheart. Anybody know who Lee Harvey Oswald was?
Have a good night, sir.
Hello.
What's your name, scumbag?
Who are you?
What is this Mickey Mouse shit?
Who?
You think I'm cute, Private Pile? Do you think I'm funny?
You better get off my phone before I send hell to your ass, all right?
Are you about to call me an asshole?
Do you suck dicks?
I'm going to send you to hell in 5 seconds. Viva, viva, viva.
You don't scare me. Work on it.